So we are officially all checked in here at the Sandals Royal Bahamian Resort. It's a mouthful for me.
We made it. And we got scented, cool towels. I'm ready. They bring you some welcome drinks whenever you get here to the lobby.
What is going on, everyone, and welcome to Sandals Royal Bahamian Resort. We are here staying because of a fam trip. That's what it's called. It's a fam trip for the travel agency Gold Gal Getaways, and we are getting ready to eat lunch here at the Bella Napoli. It's quick service pizza. I'm starving. Taylor's already eating. Official review? Probably not. But we are continuing from the last video. So if you didn't see yesterday's video, you should probably hit pause, go back and watch that. Today we are checked in. We are waiting for our room to be ready. We're gonna eat, and then I think I'm actually wanting to really go get some snorkel stuff. See if I can go snorkeling. We'll see what happens. We have a meetup at 7:30 with the rest of the agents and everything else. So I'm starving. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this video. And we've made it to our room. Taylor's hiding in the bathroom. It's pretty nice. Again, obviously, we didn't pay for this room. This is part of the fam trip, but it's still a pretty nice room, I think.
It's very nice.
We've got, from what it sounds like, a better view than some of the other agents, because we can actually see the ocean, which is kind of nice. It is nice.
I think it also kind of depends what floor you are on. If you're on a lower floor on one of the sides, you're going to have more like palm tree view than if you're on a higher level. We're on the 5th floor, so we have a pretty good view of the ocean just because we're so much higher up.
We do. And here's something that's really crazy. So when you check in, they have you check off this sheet of I guess alcohol you want delivered to your room because it's included. So we've got a entire bottle of Jamaican rum and sparkling wine. I'm not really used to this. This is still a little weird for me, but pretty cool so far. I think, well, I mean, we can take you around and show you the room, I guess.
I will take you to one of my favorite parts of any room, which is the bathroom. So this is the vanity area first, where I will get ready every day. They give you pretty decent sized bottles of shampoo, conditioner, lotion, and body wash, plus some other little toiletries like Q-tips and a sewing kit, shower cap, that sort of thing, some hand soap, and then in the actual bathroom you have the toilet in its own little nook, the towels, and the best part, the shower. How marvelous. Very big walk-in shower. And it's got the rainfall shower head. I'm pretty excited. Moving on. We make our way to the, I guess you would call this a kitchenette. We have our little mini fridge, some coffee, tea, accessories, and the main living area of the room. I believe this is a king-size bed, actually, because it looks the same size as ours at home. It's very big, lots of pillows. It looks pretty fluffy. I'm very excited. The TV, pretty big size. A nice set of drawers here to put your stuff in, which I never do. I live out of the suitcase. Josh will probably put his stuff away. And then the living space. Little table and chairs. Little love seat, not technically a couch, smaller. Ottoman, and then a desk for Josh's mobile command center. last but not least, I almost forgot. The balcony! With a little table and chairs, a place to hold your towels or swimsuits or whatever you need, and then a nice view of actually the pool and the beach. And palm trees and parts of the resort. It's wonderful being in the Bahamas.
All right, well, it has been a little while since, so we said we were going down to the beach. We did. We didn't really swim. We actually just ended up laying out on the beds and taking a nap, and then it started raining, which then woke us up. So we went back upstairs and we have changed because we have like a little cocktail night tonight with some of the other agents who are here, specifically with Gold Gal Getaways, but then there are also other agents here for the same type of like fam trip. So that's what we're gonna go do. It's inside the pub, but we wanted to come over here and see if we could see the sunset, which we can, which is awesome.